What's up everyone, this is Santosh. Welcome back to another episode of my cooking videos. Today we are gonna make protein pancakes. This is the most tastier breakfast you could have without disturbing your fitness goals. This recipe would have low fat, high carb and high protein. I would first show the ingredients and would list down the macros at the end of the video. So let's look at what ingredients we need for this recipe. So for the ingredients, we would need around 30 grams of pumpkin pie and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 Greek yogurt, around 4 servings of coconut flour, 50 grams of liquid egg whites, 1 banana, 1 whole egg, and 1 scoop of whey protein, and a cooking spray for making it on the pan. So let's take a blender and mix all these ingredients and make a batter out of it. So I have a weighing scale and a blender on top of it. So I'm gonna put all these ingredients into this blender and make a batter out of it. So for anyone who doesn't have this weighing scale, I would recommend having any one of those weighing scale to measure out the quantities exactly. So the first thing is we're gonna take 30 grams of pumpkin pie. It's 30 grams. Now we're gonna put in the Greek yogurt. Adjust the scale back to 0. And then we are gonna pour the liquid egg whites. Around 50 grams of egg whites you need for the recipe. So it's 50. Add the banana. Now you're going to add in the coconut flour, around 4 servings, which is 64 grams of coconut flour. Grams. Now you're gonna drop in 1 scoop of whey protein. Finally, we would need to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and then blend this all ingredients into a fine batter. You could also hand blend it if you don't have a blender. It's a teaspoon of baking soda, so just a tiny bit of it to get the fluffiness of the pancakes. All the ingredients and made a thick batter out of it. I had to add some liquid egg whites to make the batter come into a good consistency. I'm gonna transfer all this batter into a bowl, and then we are gonna cook this batter on the pan and make pancakes. So the batter has been transferred into the bowl. Now I'm gonna pour this batter onto the pan and make pancakes. Once the pan has been heated up, now you are just gonna pour the batter. Make sure it's not fluffy, like make a thin pancakes for each one of them. Now adjust the shape of the batter to look like a pancake. This pancake is currently in cooking. So now you're gonna leave this leave one side of the pancake for around 2 minutes till it turns golden brown, and then you're gonna flip the pancake. Make sure you cover the pan with the lid so that it cooks evenly at the bottom. So I have the other pan here, which I also sprayed with the cooking spray, and it's getting heated up. So what I'm going to do is, instead of flipping in on the same pan, I'm going to throw this other side on this one so that the process gets more easier for us to do. You could see that pancake it's ready to get flipped. So let's throw this here. Make sure the base doesn't get completely burnt. Just give it a minute and then flip it over. Well, I completed my pancakes. I think I got 3 of them. I obviously did not do a good job with them. So it's basically because when I was flipping, the batter was still not consistent shape. So make sure when you pour the batter into the pan. Just make it a thin batter instead of a thick one. Don't overload the batter on the pan, so it will make it hard to flip it. Or in iQuit, you can just put it in the oven and cook it. So I poured some maple syrup on the pancakes and added the butter on it. So you could see the thickness of each pancake. These are very thick. They taste amazing though. So I'm gonna just eat these pancakes. So just make sure if you try this recipe to not burn these pancakes like I did, but it would taste amazing. Macros for the recipe will be linked in the description or will be on the side, will be on the bottom below. Try this recipe out and let me know in the comment section below. Do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.